Welcome to this technical guide on the HP15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP15 camera isn't working, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to software glitches or hardware malfunctions, and if left unattended, it can lead to more severe problems like complete camera failure. It's essential to address this promptly to avoid missing out on those important moments. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement camera module suitable for the HP15. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your HP15. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Once open, locate the camera module, which is typically situated near the top of the device, connected by a couple of screws and a ribbon cable. Carefully unscrew the screws holding the camera in place, being mindful of their size. They are usually quite small. After unscrewing, gently disconnect the ribbon cable by lifting the connector with your tweezers. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement camera module and connect the ribbon cable securely, ensuring it's firmly in place. Reattach the screws to hold the camera module securely. Once everything is tightened, it's time to close the device. Align the back cover properly and press it down gently to snap it back into place. Power on your HP15 and test the camera to ensure it's working correctly. If the camera is functional, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your device's software is regularly updated and avoid exposing it to moisture or extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance can also help keep your HP15 in good working order. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.